All right, all right, all right. Cool, 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 cool. What are we doing today? Oh, I know what I'm doing today. It's been a long, a bit of an early workout and a lot of working. Wrapped up with dinner with the missus, and now back to some end of day wrap up coding. Let's see. All right. A bird. What's the bird emoji? Bam, bam. All right. Let's see. Let's get that right. Let's get that right. All right. So, what is the deal today? What's the dealio? What's the dealio? Um, Damn. All right. Two people, two folks, good folks, tagging along. One from Facebook, one from Twitch. Let's see what's going on. All right. Got a MacBook next to me. I'll be hawkeyeing some stream related beats on this thing. Closing the machine actually. Don't need it right now. Um, I keep this minimal. So let's see. Any comms? It's one thing that's already sorted. Mm, oh goodness, I have to figure this out. I don't know what's going on with Slack. Um, yeah, yeah. There is a Slack connect hiccup. You also have. Let me try to invite you to the actual chat. No, at the Slack connect. Let's see what happens. Mm-hmm. That's there. Okay, create a new branch for the unification task. I'm going to plus it when I'm folding. I see. I see. Low contrast. What is low contrast? Let's see. Let me spin up. Oh, I don't need this. This. Git grep. That's what I do actually. 2 and 0. Come on. Okay, accessibility reasons. So what is that? Do I have another tab open? I should open another tab. No, an FT window, and then I have to open everything that was there before. Mode, move that to 3, 3. And then I should do myself the courtesy of see. Just being in the face now. I did some stuff there. Maybe it's easiest to look at whatever's in the MR. I hate that this happens. I noticed that between me logging in and out of the computer, I have to log into this thing again. Frustrating. Okay, but that's what it is. So give me tokens for GitLab. Maybe I should. I don't even think. Maybe someone can compute what they are reading the screen. So let's get the code right over. There we go. In that. There we go. Log in. That's one part. We don't need that now. Why is this? Pipeline failed. Why? Yep, I have some. Push. Change good. At least this thing should complete. It's probably going to restart. That's good. Now there is a preview. I broke it. That means I can't preview like that. Preview. Other way, I can make this a little bigger. 3D. And let's just do this. You can see sometimes I'm doing things inside of Emacs, sometimes I'm doing them inside of just the terminal emulator, running tmux in it, and then splitting panes and doing some random junk. And other times I'm actually editing code inside of NVim. Highly inconsistent. Feel it doesn't matter. It's probably also good to kind of like maintain some dexterity between different toolboxes in case something breaks. And I'll take localhost 3000. Let's see how that goes. Oh, it's so bright. All right, here we are. This is low contrast mode. You hover over it, you see this. I click on one of them. That doesn't quite work very well. What do we do to fix this? Probably I can use border around the item. Maybe it's something we can experiment with. I believe it is. Should be. Flip that to a different view. This is what it looks like. Nothing very shocking about that, other than something being there at the end. I don't know what that is. This diff has padding at the bottom or a margin at the bottom. Something is taking up space and I don't know what it is. Here, padding 5. Why? Why is this there? Padding 0.5. This comes from P2. P2, okay. I have to figure out where that is from. P2, probably a lot of entries for that. Good. Figure this out. That's clearly not where we. Content creator. There we go. Content container. What's this thing? Just component. Where's the components app? And FX. Yeah. Container. What's this? Side. Main. Sidebar. DOC. Aside. Where's the main content? Separate container. Somewhere. I have. Sure. Why is this still there? I don't even know what this is. Here. Sidebar container, and then that. How does that work? Let's have a look. That's a section. Do we have a section in here? Okay. Section. Just come from board index. More for that. Get pros and see. Oh, that doesn't have it. Okay, so board index has some weird two related junk going on, possibly. Is it layout narrow sidebar? Components app layout. Oh, come on. Components app. Oh, sidebar. Here we go. D, we do that. Maybe we don't need that. I don't even remember why we did that in the first place. It's still weirdly off. Inspect. That's what's there. There's still some padding top for rem. We have something at the bottom. Can't figure out where it's from. This is hidden. This is something else. So it's effectively all within this thing. Let's see. Padding 0, border top width. None of this is helpful. Are you holding up, Laney? Alrighty. P top 16. You got the key with you? See you in a bit. P0, border top, fuzzy. I probably can also remove this. I believe we cleaned something up and we don't need it anymore. Where is this thing coming from? Wait a minute. There's something in here with margins, isn't there? This thing fills up the entire. Why does this happen? Okay. Oh, there's some ugly stuff going on in here. Let's just see one thing at a time. Here we go. That's there. Invites don't work. Let me check there. Can't join Slack channel. I'll invite you by email, so I may have to make a different account for that. I believe you were already invited through this. I'll try to reactivate. I have to a different Slack space. Yeah, it's probably different tab. Browser. Browser tab. Okay. That doesn't work. So we go back to GenFormation tools, then look at the invites list, then Idrissa here. How do I manage this? Can I invite again? Huh. Weird. Oh. I don't understand this. Okay, probably some privacy sensitive stuff. So back to the face. Then we go to Slack. Is that where we manage it? Where do we manage Slack members? Manage members. Here we go. Invited inactive default. So resend invitation. Done. Cool. Close that. Right, good. I can come back. This GT16. Come on. What's this? Key bottom. I should actually restrain myself. Probably shouldn't go completely bananas over this. I mean, I like how this is rendered. There's a lot of stuff wrong with this. Let's kind of like look at this is the main view. I don't know. Is it disturbing? Is it disturbing to not have this constantly in your face? Because this is pretty loud. It's pretty easy to get to it. Like people that have accessibility functions on, probably not super bothered by like if I turn on like dark reader, this is handled. Accessibility readers will cover it. People with like high contrast color overrides will probably still be able to see it. Bug study accessibility doesn't work. Learn accessibility. There's probably like some extension you can install. Oh, this is hard. Okay, digital accessibility, commonly abbreviated blah. Learn CSS. This is not a complete reference. What is digital accessibility? Why does it matter? ARIA, HTML, JavaScript, constructor, document, images, color, and contrast. So how does this work? Okay, perceiving color. There's a qualitative way to describe colors such as red, green, and blue, where each hue has a specific spot on the spectrum with values ranging from 0 to 360, with red 0, green 120, blue 240. There's a hue, saturation, and lightness. Probably should define colors in that. Maybe I should just drop it in my notes for accessibility and just look into it another time. Not now, later. Thanks. Color theory. This is something. It's not color theory. It's just contrast. Forward. You go all the way to 7-Eleven. I just picked it up. All right. Oh, I'm so tired. Can't see it. I just send to. Oh, let me find out. Okay. Oh no, that was the mistake. Yep. Hey, Gaby. Yeah, Gaby was there. I mean, I don't think Gaby's still there, but I can send her a text for you. I miss you, Gaby. Aw. Aw. Let me look what Gaby up. Let me just go back to Facebook. Where are messages? Darn it. How does this app work? I don't know how this works. These apps are annoying. Okay, cool. Cool. Right. One thing I was doing, permission. So let's just have a look. It's something wrong with members. So I'm heading over to the, um, not switch workspaces, tools. It's not what I need actually. I think I was here just a minute ago. Manage members. Here we go. So I can remove, deactivate, delete profile, delete profile. Now, I can probably, can I add someone else? Well, let's try that. Okay. Let's see if that works. Invite one person. Okay, cool. Let's figure out resend. All right, so on this end, I can basically enable this again. Cool, 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 cool. So now it's time to figure out the color contrasting. I have a note on that. I can read through it, but not now. Not now. This is minor concern, not a focus point. Not a focus point. Gotta close this. Gotta close this. Boom. Worry about that later. Get some shit shipped. I mean, this works. This is just a concept, so we keep it as is. Now, there's one thing that really bothers me. That is if I go there, I have, come on, do I have any changes pending? Order grade 200 overflow X auto. What did I remove? P0 and the P2. Okay, so I dropped the P2 at whatever media mid display breakpoint. Let's go over there. This ugliness is still there. Okay, well, let's figure this out. This is inside of section, which is inside of main. So, okay, this section actually has what? Does it have padding or a margin? Let's see if we can search, compute it. Does it have a margin? Okay, it doesn't have a margin. What does this have? Padding 64. That's pretty hefty. It's only up top. Okay, can't work with that. What is in there? Well, this thing has a margin up top. Ha. Why? MT2. Why? Why do we have this? Why do we have all this freaking margin stuff? Okay, let's just take care of that. MT2. Mobile search. Well, this is a narrow sidebar. It's probably not where I'm looking for. Or doc or I'm not throwing app, whatever. MT2. I can't assume. So MT2. Go. And we have something in components or what is that? Or is a document component or an app component? I don't know. Not trying to think about it now. MT2. Let's have a look. Probably just rip this out, see what happens. That is gone. Better, cleaner. All right. Then, so this thing, does this have any? Oh, all right. That's just for as for the scroll bar. This thing has a border. Probably don't need it or use it. Probably should remove it. Border. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Yeah, neither of these things are like. Flip it back to light mode. It's in there. Put this out there. Nah, doesn't work for me. So border T. Think about it in a second. Let's just figure out where this thing comes from. The annoying bit. The thing is, I should be working on the auth, but it's so late. It's like 10:30. I'm not going to do anything meaningful on that front, so I may as well do easier-ish. Okay, there's something in here. I just don't get it, right? Maybe I can try to debug it. PT16. So let's give me PT. Okay, so that's not where we can find it. Give me PT16. Place where we can find that. And server, just do that. And meanwhile, components while on board, I could have gone into index. And PT16, just rip that out. Here we go. Clean. Now we still have this weird thing at the bottom, and I don't know where it's from. So we have overflow X. Do we need an overflow on that level? Good. That's it. That's the problem. Overflow X scroll. We don't need an overflow at that level. Overflow everything hidden. Now just double check that Tailwind knows this. Overflow hidden. Okay, clip everything. But it's pesky. All right. That's not relevant. Then we have that. Okay, cool. This is a lot cleaner. All right, watch. Look at it in bright mode. One thing that we could probably address is borders are super vague. That's okay. Go there. What do we have here? Make these icons black. We're handling this in a bit. Figure that out. For now, just fix that. Actually have a in proto track C. Orient track. Track orient. Let's see. Let's see if there's a message. I'm seeing my bad. Can please send to this Gmail the answer as a sub. What? Oh, okay. Gotta hide my screen again. Hey, what's that? I need to. Going to Hamburg for the weekend. Oh, you're stacking up on sister points. Oh, I got some good places for you to visit in Hamburg. I hate that I'm not there. I would love to just show you around to my favorite places. Anyways, if you're going to Hamburg, Hamburg, I don't know. What's the name? African aristocrat. I don't get the name. I didn't get the name. There's this I hate this. There's a really cool exhibition in the museum in Hamburg. I just can't tell. Never mind. I can maps.google.com it, right? Then I say Lewinsky, Hamburg, right? Then it puts me there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Ah, crap. Okay, cool. So that's Lewinsky. Now I believe this one, Museum of Ethnology. Good. MARKK. That's the one I needed. Book. Okay, fair enough. Double check that the screen thing is working. We're looking for tips for the sister, big little sis, who's going to visit Hamburg for the weekend. All right, so this is when you want. Turn it over in a bit. Here we go. Is it still running? I don't just speichern is the one that I wanted to outline. Probably it's not open anymore. Probably it's done. Snap, 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 snap. Programm. Yeah, Mangabere. Duala. Okay, perfect. That's one I can send over to you. That's then I'll just go back to private mode. I go to the Facebook feed. Um, trigger warning. All right, so that's one of them. And then obviously one of my favorite coffee spots in the city, Lewinsky, which is that one, which I can drop in here. Cool. So that's done. Back to screen share. Um, so, space. They are doing and grilled cheese and is die for. There's nothing really to die for. Divine. Cool, 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 cool. All right, so those are the updates to the little sis, little big sis. Oh, so big sis is buying a house. Little sis is helping out with that. I'm missing out on a lot of quality time out there. Okay, I can basically go to the banners, disable that. It's a little noisy, isn't it? Cool, 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 cool. So what do we do now? I'm prepping. Yeah, I'm prepping something for merge. So for commit, so I dropped the adding their some overflow shit that was a little superfluous cleanup for for shift them like that. White space and white space cleanup. Um, just call it that. It's fine. Up, up, push that. And also I don't know why. Why? Okay, that sometimes the window layout just breaks. Here we go. Push to those things. Layout looks. I can just go back to that. Looks a little bit cleaner. Um, I have something to fix. Let's do it right away. No procrastination. What the hell is this? Scroll down. What is this? It's in a diff. Does anyone? Yeah, what the hell is this? Scroll down to this section, background, and then we have offer or something that's way more fun plugin. So these are top level divs, right? Well, I can probably figure it out by looking at core renderer, right? And I believe that came from whatever. Here we go. 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 Paragraph. What's in the paragraph? I don't know. Look here. Last name. EG red 100. Yep. And we're going to commit some violence. Light. See if this actually changes anything. Boom. Here we go. So we do have this thing popping up. Okay, so this is the right thing, and basically the conversion happens in here, which is render element. Render element gets called inside of pros, I believe. Pros. Come on, I don't have anything pros related. Okay, so I'll have to open it. Component. Give me components mode pros. Crap. Okay, so mode. What is this? Pros. I'll think about in a minute. How was this? Not right. This stories. Accidentally opened the wrong thing. So now we're here. Called render element inside of this thing. Text space base is full. What do we do? Pros can only be maximum width of pros. Why do the other elements have some some notion of how wide they're allowed to be? Because they're all wrapped inside of a section, and section has max width pros set. So that is one thing. Is this the right place to do it? Nope. Because also we don't have tables rendering. That's one thing I have to tackle. And let's do FT. Then I do Intel eng readme. Yeah, and then okay, so let me know where we find a table. Here we go. Table component. Yeah, I can look at in a minute. All right. Components dot table. What we do first of all. What we do first of all, we remove the constraint of the section. This for this. Components. Come on. Components. dock section, max width pros, unburden this thing. Just not where it happens. Section doesn't know. That's a different concern. What we do solve is right now, I mean, we can actually we go to the table thing right away. Max width. That's weird. I should possibly have a look. US keyboard. Photo track C. Storybook. Not this program. At some point. Localhost 6006, and I can do dark mode again. At this point, I can close that. Works. It's not server. I think so. Something is. Come on. What do we have here? Chromium. What the hell? I have a beefy machine, and Chromium is slowing down to a crawl. Frustrating. Well, actually, that's incorrect. I probably should update here. Cool, cool, cool. What's that? Two. Now, I can't do anything about this machine being slow. All right, where do we find this thing? Find components, table. There we go. Can we wire up the table? Maybe we can. What does it look like in light mode? Not exactly what I imagined, but I can work with this. Yes. Let's see the data structure. Wow, it's weird. We're going to change that. We're going to have to change that. Before we get to that, though, 2 npm length. Seeing my battery. Oh yeah, I have to. That was one thing I was doing. Invite this by right level of access. So, going back to this thing. There's a personal email address, I believe. Can they send it to this email? What do you mean, subdomain? Invite to your work email address. Favorite? Yeah, let's see, what kind of comms do we still have? Ideas by Buffer. Quite curious about that. Ah, okay. You can't log in with that email. Fine. Try to figure this out. Manage members again. Ha. Mm, edit. How does that work? Mail forwarding will from work release everything to your personal address. Some funky email magic is going on right now. I'm trying to figure that out. Okay. Let's make it work if this is small enough and still somewhat rated. It's difficult, but okay, I don't need this actually. I just need to be here. All right, all right, all right. Just double check that was done. I can basically call it a wrap. Pros, not until I have fixed it. So what I do now, pros, max width. I don't know what text base is. So text base. Where does it come from? Oh yeah, I think that I've seen that. Okay, base is full. Where the hell does that come from? That's the question. Maybe I should first. Okay, that's not what I had in mind. So yep, can probably go over there and then say basis. Cool. I don't know. This doesn't exist. Whatever. Take it out. Um. No radical shift. Max with pros. Snap. Basic punctuation troubles. Fair enough. That's better. That's clean. Now we have this there. We have that there. We have this thing that has a scroll bar. All of this is basically flowed to fit. This thing has a bar that doesn't scroll because it fits nicely. That has that. Cool. This is a whole code block. Now probably should max height. That's the next thing to do. It's hitting in the face. Fuck. This is clearly something else. Feature creep. So here we're basically going to say the branch VPN. Here in the Filina. What do we want to do? fix. Just simplify. Simplify. Max with pros. Constraint. Swap. Fair enough. Yep. There we go. What is there? What do we have? For set next with post constraint on post. Okay. That's enough. And that's there. So that's another thing I need to tackle. This thing vision. That's just text. That's fine. That's text. This is fine. That's text. And here, that's also just text. Code blocks. There we go. Code blocks. Pack components. Doc. Code. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Uh, box line self syntax highlighter. We don't even have actually use that. Let's name BG red. Let's see what happens. And probably not the right way to do it. All right, so border to border black. Just look. That's not a code block. All right, so figure out what is. Figure it out. Probably this thing doesn't even pass along. I also don't think it actually does anything. So renderer. Here. Just return. Come on. You don't even do anything pretty. Don't do anything slick with that. Fair enough. Very fucking primitive. Yeah, that is. Let's have a look at whatever we have in terms of code blocks here. And we don't have anything for it. Molecules default table. Give me a second. This doesn't make sense. Fallback block. Random code fallback block. That we have. Oh, this is shit. This is shit. So after that one, there is no sample of how this works. So let's have a look. Yes. Okay. Sage. This is a highlighting component for React using its seriously super amazing low light reflector by Worm. Check out small demo here. Here's the component in action, highlighting generated test code. Ugh. Let's see what it looks like. Fair enough. Why this one? There are syntax highlighters, so why I use this one? Biggest reason is that others rely on triggering calls and component mount, blah, blah. And then insert a render function using dangerously set in HTML and just manually altering the DOM. Just manually, okay, this utilizes syntax tree to dynamically build, blah, blah. because this is also using more idiomatic React pure function component brought into React. Okay, pure blah blah blah. This is probably not it, but quite frankly, I don't give a rat's ass. I just want to see that name rings a bell. Oh, this is beautiful. It's pretty trippy. Neomorphism. I like that. Okay, cool. Let's look at this too. This, look at that. What the hell is this? Responsive React UI. Show me. Is this it? Learn more. Bull card. Not so pretty. Okay, cool. Marmota app. Impress.js. Too fancy. Okay, cool. I'm calling it. We are going to use this little sucker. One thing we need to cover language, string, source, string. That's all we need to pass along. Why? I don't know. This doesn't strike me as the best way to do it, but I can't be bothered right now. What I'm going to do, I need to figure out how it breaks. Highlighter. JavaScript styles, props, language, available options here for past text. Okay, so we're going to fix this. We're going to fix this. We're going to fix this. Here, so code blocks, right? So mark that, and there you go. I did pull in. Holy shit! I did import code. I'm not using it anywhere. Me how this thing ever rendered or built. Well, late to worry now, so I go to that place. Up. Okay, fair enough. I broke it. And here we go. Good thing I remembered. This is a bit. Yeah, okay, I can do this. Like, honestly, this is horrible. So I'm just going to say language is text. And what do I pass along? Code to highlight. It's children. Fuck. Code string. Okay. Content. Fair enough. Do that. I can do the same thing here. State language. Again. Doesn't matter that much for like a. This is a code block and this is a verbatim block. Yeah. Any other place where I have like LaTeX using math jacks. See, so this is a problem. Huh. You do like blocks of code. It's, core parser. What is that? What is that? Need to find out. Object type. First block. Here we go. That's the sucker. Fallback block. Boom. All right. So this thing doesn't apply there because these are inlines. Yeah. So give me fallback block. Now I probably want to limit this fallback block's height. It's E. So in this case, it's a code block. What the hell is E? It's like whatever else could not be rendered. So let's just go there. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Class name overflow auto P2 rounded BG gray. Not so sure if I feel this. I don't understand why you did that. It's not really helpful. Not very beautiful either. I don't remember how I wrote. Maybe I didn't even write it. I shouldn't be taking credit for stuff. A lot of folks that helped me build this. So yeah, up, yep, up, and what we need here, drop that, and yep, and that's when we get the boom. Now that can go. This is fine. And double check that this compiles. Did I probably save it? Didn't save it even. Clever move. No, not a clever move. Not a clever move. Here, so I can see this. It has a whatever that is. Has this thing there. Interesting. Why is information missing? Yeah. Okay. Inspect. Oh. Oh. Oh snap. Oh snap. This is interesting. What's the height here? Was it constrained? UL class computed. Max height. Give me like. This is weird. This is really weird. Beautiful side effects. I don't understand how. Inspect. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? What is the? Come on, give me. Here, this thing. What is this thing? Can I click that? Can I fold it? Darn it. This didn't do what I wanted it to do. Here we go. Cool. What the hell is all of this shit? Duration. This is a problem. Transition timing function. What the fuck was that? What the hell was that? Global CSS. Good. It's so duration. Let's just look at duration. Um, not transition. It's for duration. Here we go. ease, transition ease out duration 100. But so that's the problem. I have to find a layout multi-column. Shit, it's on the list. Okay, so the list is some nifty shit. All right, cool. So so I need to debug this list. That's done. Checkboxes in list, parse list item tag, implement list folding, to do fix list, transition, bug of lists, which is very likely to be attributed to the transition. Let's see, it's transition. Are implemented. JavaScript, actually, not JavaScript. There we go. And up, that's comment, I don't care. But also show children item classes. That I really give a shit. That's a wrap. All right, we'll think about it later. All these points. I don't understand what that was. Resolve. Okay. Bunch of nil points to commit. But good. I don't have to think about that now. Okay, so back to that one. Oh, these are fallback items, so I can do something for myself here. Overflow auto. Max height. Also, don't understand if that exists, so let's see if that actually is a thing. There's only max width pros. There's no such thing as max height. Let's see. Max age. What can we get? Fit. Max content, fit content. So the maximum height available using metrics. Max age full. Yeah, I don't want that. I really don't want that. Can you parameterize them by saying like half of such a thing? Arbitrary values. Well. One max age pros. I'm so tired. Holy crap, we basically cracked an hour. All right, I think I'm ready to call it a day. Let's see. Didn't hear back. Oh, here we go. Ah, snap. Nice. Welcome back. And what's your handle? Yeah, it doesn't matter as long as you can get work done. Da-da-da. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So what have we been doing? Um, I think we. Okay, so this doesn't work. The Max H Pros. You know what? We're just going to do something ugly that at least communicates the idea. We'll have Idrissa or someone else help us with it. Max height. What are you gonna say? 96 rem. Uh, can you like max height half screen? Half one. Hmm. Vertical height. We're going to pass on adding to the default config now because every class that is quite expensive in terms of file size. Vertical height. Well, what the hell is that? Vertical height. It's finding it somewhere. So VH. What is that again? It's screen. VH. What is VH? Hmm. Arbitrary. Okay, cool. Let's just play with that. Let's just say max height 50 VH. See what that does. Um, Order one. Order red 400. Shit. It already has. It has order. Yeah. Nice. Didn't work. That didn't work. Overflow auto. EG gray. Okay, cool. So it's like shaping. Drop the background. I don't care for that. Yeah. Oh, this is max height. Fair enough. We got it. We got it. That is good. Um, yeah, we have that. We have this one. Code block takes like a certain maximum height. Yeah, fair enough. I think I can live with that. What the hell is this? I don't know. It's just. These are all code blocks. I can imagine why that is there. Um, Here, this is weird. This thing. I don't know. Okay, there's no horizontal scrolling, vertical scrolling in that. This one works well. All the crafting involved. Now, shall I? Well, let's only do it if the border is set. So I'll just drop this. Maybe npm run format fix. Snap. That was lame. Yep. Yep. So have a look. What do we change? Is it overflow auto? Max height. That's something we set. P2 round is the same. Background is the same. Border based on some setting. Join the thing for commit. Yeah, well, actually, this is going to be an error. Yeah, branch name. Bina, yeah, fine. L, dim, okay. There we go. Goes. That is pretty good. Okay, cool. So we have these things set up. Bob, there's a bunch of white spacing I need to fix. Battle for another day. This thing is ugly. Battle for another day. I should probably just hide them all together. Cool. Let's see if we create an MR. Let's see if there are any new MRs waiting for me. Nope. Create merge request. Simplify L constraint. Ah, come on. Bad for my eyes. I don't even know if this works. Describe the goal of changes. Set some dimension constraints on some else. Better. Yep. Create merge request. Now, the thing is, probably going to do a lot of rewrites on this. I have to probably rebase the whole lot. So this is something for another day. Okay, I guess I can. Cool. Gonna sign off. That was it for today. Sloppy episode. At least Stefano is going to make some changes on this. I can effectively refactor, cherry pick this. I believe I can do that on top of hack. Do you think you can do that? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Base, create, new branch. Beginning of origin, hang VP now. Two. Fuck. Branch. Create new branch. Origin hack. VP now. Simplify. L. Then constraints. Right. Yeah. Branch origin hack. VP now. To simplify. L. Then constraints. Go. Cherry pick. Yep. There you go. Ah, shit. Branch. Delete. Yeah. Yes. Branch. Rename. Am to VPNet. Simplify. L. Dim. Constraints. Boom. And then push forcefully. I don't know. Maybe. Let's just force with least. I don't know what the difference is. Bam. Let's see. Complain, complain, complain. Damn. That was nice. Here we go. Refresh. What is the diff? 2 commits, 4 changes. Here we go. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. May handle some other constraints. I don't think so. I don't think so. Fetching. What else do we have? We have like 4 hours to go. Idris did resolve merge. No, this is not gonna work. What was this? Resolve merge conflict. Yeah. Then what was this? Hide scroll bar on. This is problematic. I can't do this. This is not the right way. Where are these from? Being edited. Actually, I can't. Yeah, so let's see. That's the problem. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I think I figured it out. Uh, uh, so we had an instance. So this is, I don't like to merge from mainline back into a topic branch because there are often like little things that can change. You'll note that my branch had based out the which ones that introduced over right sure by merging a branch into is that true though? Is that true? Resolve merge conflict. So what could happen? What could happen? A lot of code. Resolve. It's hard to say if this definitively solves it. Right? Actually, I can test this. Oh shit. Come on, Idrissa, give me that branch. So where are we? So branch. Cool. Check out branch. Fair enough. Still wants CSS config. So let's scroll bar high. Okay. Scroll bar high. Boom. It's back. That's the problem. That's the problem. Oh, didn't need that. That's good. And I can be like, know that my branch had rebased out the 2 commits. the two commits that introduce the scroll bar height. Can I actually see it from here? The two commits. I actually started off top door and then towards realize it did not need the package and then rebasing it out. Tree does not reflect that my topic branch was initially as a continuation of yours. Merging my branch back into your original branch, the tailwind or height, it is introduced into the repo. So it's, it's super easy to spot. I've been bitten a few times. So that to a topic branch sometimes introduce unexpected unintended changes. Right. I'll rebase. What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? So this is what's this thing called? Resolve merge conflicts. I don't need the thing resolved, or do I? No, I don't understand the rendering here. I look at this 5 hours ago. It's Idris's word, no? Why? Okay, that's resolve merge conflict. Fair enough. And what's this one? Margin top. All right, cool. So what does this do? Oh, that was something I've already tackled, have I? Uh, I'm not good with this. So do we need that MT 40 pixels. Margin top 40 pixels. Bum bum bum. All right, maybe I should have an open mind. Let's go check it out. Um, uh, bup, bup, bup. Yeah, fine then. Note it. We add it. MT40 EX. I can rebase on top of the working the the rebased working branch that I prepped earlier. Before I go ahead with that, why thing on top? So we have a preview available. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What are we looking at? This is board. So I go to 4. It does some magic, but I don't know if we need it. I really don't know if we need it. I really don't know. Let me ask. Oh, noted. Tipo, or, which I can rebase on top of the. Oh, that is potentially something for which there is a 55 minutes ago. That was me. Created 3 hours ago. Updated. What did I update? For white space cleaner. Yeah, just give it a better name. Fix. Guess it being your face. Fakes. Totally easier. Being a mod. Safe. Do you think? Do you think like handles? Well, handles are not active in titles, so I did that. Update the screenshot. Then I updated that. I believe I can close 151. I can basically go to 150. Supersedes. Was it superseding? Yeah, I guess supersedes. Yeah, it's fine. So I guess this one, I don't know, approval is optional. TSC lesson first. Let's see, what did we do? So something Stefano storybook something that's not the one I needed. Where is it? Up. Here we go. Something on me in the face, and I just continued on top of that until that one. That's fine. And I will close them both. No one will be hurt. Before I go ahead with that, however, I'd love to understand why Pixel Skull padding on top. Do we even need it? Reason I'm asking is because I've been ripping out paddings. So that's not the one I'm thinking of. This one also not the one I'm thinking of. Yeah, not clear. Not clear how I sort that. Look into. No, if we really gain something with that. Yeah, here, just have a look. I have some stuff in here. P top 16. What? Why is it still there? Why is this still there? I believe I had removed it already. Okay, maybe that's different here. Ah, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Du-du-du-du-du-du. Where's the thing? That's not so interesting. Weird, 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 weird. Do we even need it? I found myself removing much padding in the know what the name is. Is that actually it? White space cleanup? You see anything? PT, whatever. Nah, can't spot it. So, let's just check that out. That's org. No evil. I know that branch. And too many. Perhaps that's covers what you had in mind. Right, cool, 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 cool. And then I probably want to lessen face first try, superseded by that one where I can take this little jammer, put there, send it over to Tijan CMR bum. Should the job. This thing opened up there. Okay, not what I had in mind. Well, maybe it is. That was an old version that was open. Okay, cool. Now that's good enough in it. Good enough in it. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, I like that. I believe I'm just gonna call it a wrap. We have a bunch of commits in the pipeline, and I forgot to time myself. Nearly 2 hours of hacking, 1 hour, 44 minutes. That's like 104 minutes. FT, code review, UX, front end. Jeez, only 8 hours, 44 minutes. Not a very long day if you think about it. You ignore the weird blocks of time in between. Been on my feet for a while. Gonna call it a wrap, folks. And good stream. Oh, Casey Knight 100. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, now I kind of want to continue streaming. Hey. Didn't know I would have real faces. Invisible while I'm at it. Yep. Probably before I sign off, I can open this up on Twitch on the MacBook. The MacBook wants to start up. Touch ID. Oh, that's kind of cool. Kind of nice that works. Kind of nice. Kind of nice. I understand. Cool. Now, what I need to look into, um, I don't know how it works. Come on, Twitch. I'm having a hard time with Twitch. Uh, cool. Yep, folks. I think that's a wrap. I'm gonna get some Z's. Ending broadcast tomorrow. Simon will be in Bangkok, and I'm probably gonna do a bunch of coding, mostly sparring. Universe knows what else. Um, for tonight, sign off, warm shower, maybe one episode of Billions, and then I'm off to get some Z's. Y'all take care. Ciao, ciao.